beautiful spring day in Michigan today, isn't it? Look at the sunshine over there. Welcome to my channel. I apologize in advance for the way that I look because it's 7 a.m. in the morning, and I also apologize for how quiet I'm talking because my family is still asleep. But today I wanted to film what I eat in a day. I feel like personally for me, I love watching what I eat in a day. I don't really know why. It's like weird like watching what other people eat, but I personally just like love those videos. I kind of try to follow a healthier diet. I just thought this would be a really fun video to do, and let's hop right into breakfast because as soon as I wake up I'm normally starving, which I am today, and I need to have breakfast right away or I'm a very mean girl. So let's go to the kitchen and get some beef fast. Chill for a little bit, probably just hang out with my family and stuff, and then I'm going to bar. Bar is my favorite kind of workout. I feel like all my muscles are like this before bar, they all go like this after bar, so I'm really excited to go to bar. If you can't tell by the lighting, it's a lot later now. So it's about 11:14 in the morning, in the AM. I just got back from my workout. It was really good. I'm having lunch in about an hour or so, but I did want to show you my outfit that I wore to workout because I love my activewear. So I just wanted to show you what I was wearing. So I have this tank top from Sweaty Betty. It's just like a really cute, can you see the back? Who knows? It's just like a really cute racerback tank top. I have these leggings. They are from Nike. They're really comfortable and they're like, I really can like get a nice deep squat in them. They're really great for that. And then I have on my socks. Just my outfit for working out. Just thought I'd show you because I thought it was really cute. Hello everyone, so it is currently 11:51. I'm going to sit down and have some lunch now. Normally I don't really know what I feel like today. We'll see, I'll have to look in my fridge. But like most of the time I stare in my fridge like this for like 20 minutes because I don't know what I want and it takes me so long to figure it out. Yeah, I normally eat my meals pretty early because we eat dinner every night at 5:30, so I like to get my day started early and just keep eating throughout the day so I'm never hungry. It's really great. So yeah, I'm gonna have lunch now. So everyone, it is a little bit later now. It is currently 5:42 in the evening and I am about to sit down and have some dinner. Normally we have like family dinner and my mom makes dinner, but my parents are going out tonight so it's a little bit not regular. There's this really good place called Plum Market that's by us. It's like Whole Foods and you go and they have like a bar, like it's like a salad bar, right? I love going there and they have really good things and I am absolutely famished, so I'm excited to eat my meal. In here I have like roasted veggies and there's tabbouleh down there and there's grilled chicken and other meats down there and it's just like a smorgasbord of things. That's really good. And then with that, every time I go to Plum or Whole Foods, I always get a kombucha. This is the maca berry flavor and I'm really excited to try. I love kombucha so much. We're gonna sit down and have some dinner and just chill and eat because like I said before, I'm starving. Hello everyone. I just had dessert. I kind of forgot to film it because I got really excited about ice cream and I had it anyway. But yeah, I just had regular ice cream for dessert, just Eddie's chocolate ice cream. If there's one thing that I can't give up for my health life, it is definitely ice cream. It's just like essential to my living. That is it for this video. That is essentially everything that I eat in the entire day. Some sporadic snacking here and there if you count that, but that's pretty much like my main meals. 4 meals a day. It's a good life. We enjoy food. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I will see you guys next Monday because I upload every Monday. Bye. Okay, so